Documentary on bear leather begins as we step into a modern factory, where raw bear hides arrive. For processing, these hides are carefully inspected to ensure quality, size, and durability. Only the finest hides are selected for high-end luxury products, ensuring every jacket, bag, or accessory meets premium standards. Traceability checks verify legality and sourcing, maintaining strict compliance with regulations. Each hide undergoes thorough cleaning to remove dirt, residues, and imperfections. Skilled workers and automated machines work together to sanitize the surface without damaging the natural fibers. This step preserves the texture and strength of the leather, while preparing it for the tanning process, ensuring a long-lasting and supple material suitable for luxury fashion. Once cleaned, the hides are soaked and softened in specialized solutions. The process restores elasticity to the fibers and ensures the leather can absorb tanning agents evenly. Precision and timing are critical at this stage. Over-soaking or uneven treatment can compromise texture and durability. Every hide is monitored closely as it slowly transforms from raw skin into a workable, premium material. The tanning process begins, stabilizing the fibers and giving the leather its strength. Chemical and natural tanning agents penetrate the hides, locking in durability while maintaining suppleness. Temperature and pH are carefully controlled, as these factors influence the final quality, ensuring each piece is resistant to wear while keeping the natural grain intact for luxury aesthetics. After tanning, hides are rinsed and dried under controlled conditions. Moisture levels are balanced to avoid shrinkage or cracking. Machines gently stretch and condition the leather, maintaining flexibility while reinforcing the natural texture. Every hide passes quality checks, ensuring uniform thickness and smoothness. Only perfect hides proceed to the next stage, as consistency is critical for premium production. Digital design layouts are applied to the hides to maximize material use. Patterns for jackets, bags, and accessories are precisely mapped. Laser-guided cutting machines trace the outlines and cut with extreme accuracy, minimizing waste while preserving the hide's natural features. Edge finishing ensures clean lines, and any damaged sections are recycled or repurposed for smaller products, maintaining sustainability. Cut pieces are prepared for assembly. Stitching lines are marked, edges reinforced, and padding or linings are added where required. Artisans work alongside machines to stitch, shape, and mold the leather, creating structured forms. Every seam is inspected for strength and aesthetics, combining industrial precision with artisanal skill to produce luxury-grade items that meet strict design specifications. Next comes the dyeing and finishing process. Leather is colored to the desired shade, treated with oils and waxes to enhance softness and water resistance, and polished to a subtle sheen. UV protection coatings may be added to preserve color, and final surface treatments create a tactile, luxurious feel. This step transforms functional hides into visually stunning and durable luxury material. Hardware installation follows for jackets, bags, and accessories. Buckles, zippers, buttons, and clasps are attached with precision. Each piece undergoes testing to ensure functionality and durability. Reinforcements at stress points prevent tearing, maintaining the integrity of the leather over time. Attention to detail ensures that every item meets the high standards expected by luxury consumers. Final quality checks are performed before packaging. Each product is measured, inspected for imperfections, and labeled with brand and origin information. Protective wrapping and packaging materials are applied to maintain shape and prevent damage during transport. Items are then palletized and prepared for export, ready to reach customers worldwide as exclusive, high-value luxury products. From raw bear hide to finished luxury item, the entire process exemplifies a blend of industrial workflow and artisanal craftsmanship. Every step, from inspection to finishing, focuses on maintaining quality, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Advanced machinery, controlled environments, and skilled workers all work in harmony to create some of the world's most exclusive leather goods. Valued at thousands of dollars per piece, the documentary concludes by reflecting on the precision, expertise, and attention required in modern bare leather factories. Behind each jacket, bag, or accessory lies hours of meticulous processing, chemical treatment, and handcrafted detailing. This combination of modern technology and traditional skill ensures that luxury leather products not only look exceptional, but are engineered to last for decades, making them true investments in craftsmanship.